Hi folks, this time I'm going to try and single pin pick this Eurospec MP10 Padlock. Will never focus. There we are. MP10's got a half Euro core, MP10 Eurospec core on it. As you can see, and there's your keyway. And it does come with working keys. It's not key retaining. It's locked up there again. It is a 6-pinner. There we are. And it has dimple pins on either side, as you can see, but those are inactive. They don't play any part in the picking. I think they're just there to stabilise the core. And there you are, Eurospec MP10 multi-pin security. So I'm just going to use top keyway tension in this one. You can see that, and southward max hook. I'm just going to start at the back, work my way forward. This one, I have to say, I find this lock a real pain in the ass to pick. I lent this to Solomon, and he worked at it for a while and then made it look very, very easy. It's anything but for me, I have to say. I find I have to work at it. Say there's a mixture of spools and standard pins in here, and I could tell you what, it doesn't false set, it doesn't pick like it has spools. It is just a pain in the ass. So it is. Sometimes you get pins set nicely and crisply, and then other times you get nothing out of it. But one thing's for sure, you have to be very careful, because I find around pin number 2, sometimes if you push it too early, you'll lose all the pins. It has been one enormous pain for me. Not easy. Everything just sort of at times feels solid. There it is, picked open. Sorry, there you go. There's that. Now, I'm not going to cut this one because Solomon already gutted it, but I'll just show you the core. There's the wee cam at the back, just fits in there. It has one of these larger circlips. As you can see there, I don't have the tool to take that off, but there you go. It has a larger circlip on it, but all the pins are in there, so they are. You can hear that. But I'm saying this, I'll say this, guys. Now and again you get a lock that's a real pain in the ass, and this one is a real pain. I put a lot of hours into this, and you don't often see that there with lock picking, but sometimes I put a lot of hours into things and doing videos and stuff, and this one has been a real journey for me. Some people make it look easy, but this one was a tough one. But thanks for watching, folks, and take care now and all the best. Bye bye.